Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami Christmas tree model. Let me show it to you how it looks. It's here. So this is the origami Christmas tree model. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. It's very easy to make, so go ahead, grab a paper, and this Christmas celebrate it with this origami Christmas tree model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this Christmas tree model we'll need a square piece of paper, definitely green. So let's begin. So first you do a diagonal fold like this. Turn the page and now do a horizontal fold along the horizontal axis, edge to edge. Open it back, turn it back again, turn it, and now let me just silence my phone. Yeah. Now we do another horizontal fold. So basically it forms an plus shape, plus crease. Yep, as you can see, a plus crease, and here you have a diagonal crease. So now all you need to do is fold it like this. Super easy. Now you have two flaps on this side, two flaps on this side, one side closed, one side open. So now just fold these flaps like this so that you can get the center crease. Yeah, this is how it looks. Now you need to open this opening from this section. So pick one flap, open from this section, and then press it like this from till the center. As you can see here, press it tightly like this. This is how it forms. Now pick another flap, this one. Now do the same thing. To the center. You can also take the help of this level. So just press it like this. You're left with two more. We do the same thing. Just open it from here and then make a triangle. And the final one. This Christmas tree is very easy. Actually, frankly speaking, this is very easy. So you can make one for this Christmas and enjoy your festival. So press it tightly. This is how it looks. So just to maintain in a line, we keep 4 on this side, 4 on this side, something like this. So now we need to cut this in bottom section. So let me get my scissors. It's going blur. Yeah, so we don't need these parts. This is how it looks. Now we have 4 here, 4 here. So we need to make some creases. Need to cut like this till a section, not the entire thing. So probably till here. Just have a slit cut, give a gap, have another slit cut, give a gap, have another slit cut, give a gap, and the final one. Similarly, we do it on this side. To be exact same, you can just pick one from this section and put it here, and then do the cut. This will ensure that you cut on the same line. We keep back that, and this is how it looks. Just separate out each one like this. Sorry for the construction work, all the noise, it's disturbing. Anyways, so yeah, this is how it looks. Now what we need to do is we need to fold this section like this, in this fashion, make a smaller triangle, and we make a tree like this, basically a inclined line like this, and we do it for every crease which we made like this. I hope you can see it. This is how we do it. Similarly, we do it at every flap we have. So let me complete this and I'll get back. So guys, here we are back. Folded all the layers the way I mentioned, and that's it. This is the Christmas tree. For the trunk, you can just pick any of the roll. Let me just get one small paper. I have this red sheet. You can pick the brown one probably for the trunk, or you can just keep it like this, but just to show it to you, I'll just make a small roll like this. And you can just glue it in this section, and then you can keep this at the bottom like this. And here your final Christmas tree model. So guys, this is very easy model, so go ahead and make one and enjoy your Christmas. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very beautiful Christmas tree model. So go ahead, make one and enjoy your Christmas. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.